Alrighty, please adjust your sound. Different microphone setting, I think. I don't know. So, what are we going to do today? Let's continue on the adventure. Right? So, say it with me. Let's go to the lab and continue with the dehydrator. That's right. Now, just to catch everybody up on some stuff. First, we did these zucchini blends, right? Like 3-4 packets of those. Yeah, they are right there. No big deal. Just finishing up this rack. I didn't keep a lot of the pictures, but there you go. It really didn't fill that much of the jar, but again, I'm testing all kinds of different things. So what I like and what I'm going to use, I'll up it. Really can't tell in the jar, but it's pretty dry. Okay. Next we tangled with was some cauliflower, right? And it went up pretty good and not bad. It stayed. Some of it was pretty good on its chunks, but and again that filled up a 20-ounce jar. So that's a couple bags. You can't really tell, but there he is. So it's not like a bunch of volumes. Oh, and then my experiment was had to do with these blueberries. Now, I've seen a lot of people do these different ways and different stuff, but here we go. So because they're frozen already, there's no reason to blanch or anything because the skin bursts by itself, right? And here it is after, a good few, several hours, 8 hours or whatever. Still looking good, still all, still juicified in a way. Now, here they are after a long time. Hardly any, right? I don't know, crayons, raisins, blue, I don't know what they are, but they're like raisins. Very cool, very nice. I have a whole nother bag. I'm going to do those. But anyway, all the shelves are full. So I got green peas. Let's throw some of those babies out there, right? Again, getting a good variety of all kinds of different vegetables to just do a soup thing. Try it out. Oh, can't forget broccoli, right? So let's do some broccoli florets. See what we can do with those things. Yeah, they're frozen. I'll spread them out a little bit better. Oh, let's give this another try, ladies and gentlemen. I failure last time, but this time, see this? What do you think? Give it a go. It worked beautiful. Beautiful. Creamy, nice. Now, I only used 1 cup of cream. That's it in this. And the powder. Beautiful tasting. Wow. I was really surprised with the creaminess of that. Now, some people say 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream. I'm going strictly whipping cream from now on. Root beer, 7-Up tasting. I don't know. I'm going to try all kinds of different stuff. But it tasted wonderful. Nice. I really appreciate everybody popping in, maybe leaving a comment, things. It does help the algorithms and whatnot. As I'm posting more of these couple minuters, I'm getting more suggested. So, signing off.